So I'm 8 months postpartum and it's gone by really fast, but it took me a very long time to get back to working out, to really feel like I had recovered enough to start working out. The whole time I've been doing my walking since having the baby, and obviously I've been eating really well, but in this video today I'm going to share with you some of the things I've been doing in my workout routine. I've been a lot more busy lately, so I don't have like a full-fledged routine. That's my goal, but I have been staying active every day by walking and doing some other exercises like my park workout. So I'm going to show you that today, and I'm also going to show you all the food I've been eating just to maintain my health and to stay in shape and feel my best. This video is sponsored by Trunk Club, an online styling platform that I've been using to help me refresh my closet. In addition to trying to get my body back in shape after having a baby, I'm also trying to get my wardrobe back in shape and just feel better about myself and how I look. So I've been using Trunk Club. I'm going to share with you more about it later and show you one of my new favorite outfits that I recently got from them. Okay. Let's get started. We're gonna take you back to breakfast first. This morning I am going to steam some butternut squash for the baby. This is her first time ever having butternut squash today. Okay, so for breakfast, as usual, I'm having some oatmeal, steel-cut oats with dates and raisins and pecans. For my drink, I'm having Earl Grey tea with oat milk on top. Oh, it's so good. Let me eat some. Yum. Come on, keep chewing. I know it's still in your mouth. So this morning, I'm checking in with my friend who's my fitness accountability partner via text. Last week was really bad. I didn't do anything but walk and stroller exercise. This week, hopefully I can do better. After the baby is finished eating, I'm going to clean her up and we're going to go for our stroller workout. Yay! So the most important part of my exercise routine, it's not even really exercise, but like my staying active routine, is simply walking. I go for a walk every day, about 2 miles a day at least, and it's like the one thing that I can maintain because I need to get out of the house, I need to get fresh air, I feel like the baby really needs to. So this is the thing, no matter what, almost no matter what, I can do. And I know I just walked out of the house and this bag is actually really gross looking, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat some snacks. I take dried fruit and nuts everywhere I go, so on my walk I'm just gonna eat this so I can have enough energy to actually work out. So I'm going to show you the stroller workout that I do when I come to this park. It's only 15-minute walking distance from my house. So the walk is my warm-up, then I do my workout and my stretch, and I walk back home as my cool down. But it's super fun and easy. Okay, so that's my workout. We're gonna head home. It's really time for the baby to have her nap. So we actually gotta rush home, so that's gonna kind of be our workout also. I know this is not pretty, but I'm currently eating some leftovers from last night's red lentil curry. It's super good. It's from the vegan instant pot cookbook, but anyway, it's a good snack, and I'm doing that as I breastfeed my baby. It's time for her nap. daughter takes her nap and before I take my shower, I'm just going to use this opportunity to make dinner. I'm actually going to be making a recipe out of my cookbook. I'm going to do the cure-all lentil soup. We're actually going to go out to lunch, but I just want to have dinner ready so when I come back I don't have to cook this evening. Now I'm just going to sort my lentils to see if there are any, rocks and dirt and stuff. There's often a rock that sneaks in and like breaks your teeth. I'm finally using my new Dutch oven that I got from Great Jones. It's pink, bubblegum pink, it's so pretty. Especially when I'm breastfeeding, which is always, I just try to stay extra hydrated because it takes so much out of you. I don't think sparkling water is a good alternative to just still water for hydration. This is my little special treat, so. Ah, so good. For the vegetable broth, I am using this mushroom broth that I made last week. Our soup is finished. It looks so good. It smells incredible, and now dinner is finished. Makes me feel very good. Okay, so I'm about to go out and have an early, well, no, you know what? It's a late lunch. I'm gonna have a very late lunch with my friend at a new restaurant in our area. Anyway, so I want to go through my trunk club and show you some of the things I've got. I don't have that much time to shop for myself, so I'm really loving and utilizing Trunk Club. These are all based on my preferences. You guys know I like to shop for ethical fashion, so they send a lot of reformation to me, like this and that. Okay, so here are these pants. I love them. They fit me so well. They go on really easy. They have like this wide leg. Very cool. Because it's fall, I think I might go for the black top. Also because I'm concerned that my baby will spit up on me, poop on me. Please don't mind my child. She's 8 months. She can't help herself. I really like the silhouette of this top. It's very flowy. I do really like this top. But as much as I like this top, I don't think it's a fit for this outfit today because, like I said, it's fall. The baby's in the background watching me. I love it. She's saying, yes, Mom, yes, or no, Mom, oh, no. But I do like this. I think this works well. These pants have, like, the blue tint. They're very light. But then there's also, like, the blue threading here. I think we're going to wear this top to lunch. So I put on one of my head wraps. I think I did a good job. I'm trying to make it look like one of those chunky headbands that are so in right now. But this is my look. I've got my headband, I've got my new top, new jeans, all very comfortable. I'm feeling good and I'm very hungry. So let's go to lunch. Looks good. I got the falafel salad. So like when I was getting dressed, I was like, I need to wear something nice. Cause you look really cute. Thank you. You have to do like a what am I wearing? I know, right? Will you film me if I do it? Amazing dinner. We almost ate everything. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna have my lentil soup that I made earlier. I just am gonna eat it with some bread. I noticed I didn't have any bread or pita at that restaurant, so This is gonna be extra good on here. It's like really good sourdough, whole wheat sourdough bread that I like to buy here in LA. So I'm gonna have this for dinner, and I guess I'll let you guys go because it's getting late and I need to eat and get ready for bed and finally unwind. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some good workout ideas. I'm gonna link to my friend Kendra. She actually put together a whole stroller workout. She's an actual personal trainer, so she knows a lot about this stuff, a lot more than I do, and she's been helping me to stay in shape and to get in shape and even to heal my diastasis recti, which is the split abdominal muscles that happens to a lot of women when they're pregnant. And yeah, do her stroller workout, and if you need any help you can always reach out to her. She also has an online program that is super helpful and that I did, and I still go back to those videos all the time. So check that out, and oh, definitely check out Trunk Club. I love that service. Having a personal stylist online is just so wonderful. You can just chat with them, tell them what you're looking for. So helpful, especially for a busy working mother like I am. They're helping me look my very best. I wasn't there before, but I'm there now. The recipe for this lentil soup is in my cookbook. I'll link that. Anything else I can think of, I'll link. If you think of something else you need from me, or have a question, or just want to share whatever, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.